the light's gone. No more on that one. Denise has just run back up to the van. I've left my phone on the windscreen in the van. Stupid, very stupid. So she's just run up to the van for me to get that. Denise is back from getting me phone. Thank very God. It's still in the windscreen. Not a good idea to leave your phone in the windscreen, is it? So, whew. Right, we've changed composition slightly. I'll spin you around and show you what we're looking at. We've got the castle over in the left, as you can see, over in the left hand side, and I've got this tree. If I just pick it up slightly to show you that, I've got this tree here. So I'm shooting the tree and the little tiny tree on the right hand side as a bit of foreground, and then just putting the castle over in the background. It doesn't really matter whether the castle's in the shot or not, really. It's all about this tree and the mountains coming down both sides and that tree just sitting up. Got some nice goldeny colours in the grass below us. The sky's a bit bland, but I'm sure I can pull something out of that in post. But the tree's quite nice, and you've got these two little clumps of grass and a bit of a rock as well. I don't particularly like the tree over on the right hand side. That one over there, I'll show it to you. The one on the right hand side, I don't particularly like that one, but there's not much I can do. If I do clone it out, I'm going to lose this tree. And if I move too far around, I can't get the tree right in the bottom corner. And it's the bottom corner here where the mountains come down, and they come down in there, and it's the bottom corner there that I wanted the tree to come up. But this little one here I don't particularly like. As you can see, the castle's over there and the mountains are bringing you down to the tree at the bottom. So yeah, it's quite a nice photo. 2-second timer, ISO 100, f8. Sort of really wasting the evening, really, to be honest. Denise is having a sit down, as you can probably see behind me. She's got a signal, so she's catching up, reporting in, and making sure everyone's all right at home. And I'm just sort of twiddling my thumbs. There's a bit of a campfire thing just up there, so I'm going to look at that campfire with that tree and see if I can get a lone tree, so it's just on its own. But yeah, this would be an awesome spot with some mist. If I get up in the morning and this is covered in fog and mist, oh, you'll be hearing about it, that's for sure. Yeah, some fog, low-lying mist, glassy lake, and I'll get the drone out, fly the drone through. Yeah, that'd be pretty awesome, wouldn't it? But I don't think that's going to happen. So anyway, I'm going to carry on. I'm going to take a couple more pictures of these trees. I'm going to put you away for now, and Found myself a pack horse to carry me bag. Gosh, she really is a good girl. She drives, she makes coffee, she does great dinner, she makes the bed, and now she's carrying me bag for me. Doesn't get any better than this, does it, guys? Just making our way back up to the van now. I've had a bit of a play. Managed to get the drone out, which was fantastic. Not quite up to Mr. Matthew Storer's capabilities, but I did enjoy that. That was quite nice. The reflection down there in the lake now is absolutely astonishing. The lake's turned into glass, and but there's no light. There's no light to make any images from. So I'm going to leave it. I'm going to walk away, and I'm going to come back in the morning. Plenty of people around. They keep turning up, coming for a walk down here, so it's quite a popular little spot. Making our way back up to the van. Like I said, if you look over my shoulder, the van's up on the road, so it's quite an easy walk. So we'll have a look and see what the morning brings. You never know, it might bring some fog, it might bring some mist. If it does, I'll be out with the camera again and be setting up and doing a few more photographs. So for now, I'm going to say cheerio, and hope to see you in the morning, either continue with this vlog or on the next vlog. There's a train going over in the distance as well. So stop saying so. God, don't I repeat myself. Right, back to the van. See you soon. Ciao for now. Right, we've settled for the night. We've got a view of Kilchurn Castle. I've just been back down. The water went really glassy, and I've got a few more images. But yeah, we've been asked to move from that side of the road to this side of the road because the owners of the land came to get rid of any campers, and I got talking to them, and I find out that there's a film crew moving in at 6 o'clock in the morning, and they're going to want the big lay-by. So we've moved right over to the edge of the lay-by on the other side of the road. So stand by for me doing a bit of peeping Tom in the morning through the window at the film crew. She couldn't tell us what film it is. We've got no idea what's going to turn up, what we're going to be in the morning, but all I do know is we're both quite excited to see who's going to be running around the field at 6 o'clock in the morning. We may actually get moved on, so I might not be able to show you anything. If the officials come over and bang on the van in the morning and say, look mate, you can't stay here, then we're going to have to bugger off, aren't we? But I'm sure Denise will be filming out the back of the camera, out the back of the van as we're moving on. But yeah, film crew's turning up here in the morning. I'm going to say goodnight. Going to get ourselves a drink, close the curtains and get an early night, and see you all in the next instalment, maybe in the morning, you never know. Please like, subscribe and all the others. Click the notification bell if you want to watch more of this. It's free, you know, it doesn't cost you anything to watch my videos. Yeah, see you all soon. Ciao for now.